Welcome back. In this video, we're making frosted donuts. Into the bowl of a stand mixer, bread flour, 1 packet of instant dry yeast, sugar, 3 eggs, pour in warm milk, start mixing on low speed. Once a rough dough ball forms, in goes your salt, then add unsalted butter, a little bit at a time. Increase the speed to medium-high, and continue mixing for another 12 to 15 minutes, or until the dough clears the sides and bottom of the bowl. Flour your work surface area, turn out your dough, form it into a dough ball, place into a greased bowl, cover and place into the refrigerator overnight. 24 hours later, turn out your dough, divide into 12 equal-sized pieces, or 70 to 80 grams each. Shape into balls, cover and let the dough relax for about 20 to 30 minutes. Place onto parchment paper sheets greased with Pam, grab a measuring cup, press down to flatten, or until about a ½ inch thick. Remove the center, cover once again, and proof for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until doubled in size. Into a deep fryer they go, at 325 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until nicely golden brown and puffy. For the frosting, powdered sugar and milk. Whisk until combined. You want this to be pretty thick. Once they have cooled completely, about 10 to 15 minutes, dunk one side of your donut into the frosting, making sure to drip off any excess. Right after you frost them, hit them with the sprinkles of your choice, and there we have it, frosted donuts. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.